Okay, you have equation 1e dy dx equal to y over x plus you have the square root uh, x squared minus y squared divide x squared. So dy dx become v plus x dv dx. So y is vx. So y squared will be v squared x squared divided by x squared. So x here you cancel, you have v plus and then here inside the square root when you simplify so if you factor out x squared, so this one is 1, so minus v squared divided by x squared, so x squared cancel, so you have v plus square root 1 minus v squared, and then left side you have v plus x dv dx. So v left side, right side cancel. Then you have x dv dx equal to, then you just left x dv dx equal to square root 1 minus v squared. Then now this is separable equation in terms of v and x. Then this is divide 1. So dv over square root 1 minus v squared equal to dx over x. Then you can integrate both hand side. And then you may have some difficulty to integrate the left hand side. Okay, right hand side, I think you should have no problem. But this one you can use a trigonometric substitution where we use sin theta, dv is cos theta d theta, hence the integral dv over square root 1 minus v squared. Dv you have the cos theta d theta. So v is sin theta, v squared will be sin squared theta. One minus sin squared is cos squared theta. Square root cos squared theta, you have cos theta. Sorry, this one integral, the integral. So you integrate the theta, the answer is theta. From here, theta is at sin v. So for left side, the result is actually at sin v. So right hand side integrate 1 over x dx, you have ln x plus ln c. Replace the v by y over x. So you have a ln cx. Then if you want the y as a title, then you will take sin both hand side. So it becomes sin ln cx. So y is x sin ln cx. So this is question 1e. And after you simplify, you will get x dv dx equal to third 1 minus v squared. And then integrate dv over square root 1 minus v squared using trigonometric substitution. You get at sin v. And right hand side, you should have no problem to integrate. So this is a trigonometric substitution here.
Doctor,